Hello, I'm going to make this really quick video for you. You can see the software is selling quite a bit right now. This is called Your Instant Video Empire Yive. They have a bunch of different products on the market. And since Vidnami is going away, a lot of the customers of Yive actually asked the product owner and creator, his name's Marcus, if he could make the video builder, an automated video builder as part of his software, and make it kind of like a one-time payment thing so people can use it just to create videos and then actually manually post them and publish them on YouTube themselves. So essentially what Yive has a whole suite of tools, and they automate you to have the ability to create hundreds of videos, even daily if you wanted, and upload them to several different YouTube channels and all that. But what this is a unique offer that he put together just for the fact that Vidnami's going away, trying to solve a missing link in the market now. And so what this is the video builder portion. So what you would get in this, click the link below, go check this out. I actually don't have the software. I'm kind of contemplating if I'm going to get it for myself because of where I'm at in my business. If I actually am creating the videos like this right now, like I said, if you watch my video from a couple days ago where I use Video, and I just have a lot more control over exactly the way the video is going to look, that's kind of been my go-to method. But this, I think a lot of people will really enjoy. This software, as you could load it with some certain keywords or, Amazon product reviews. Here's all the different videos it will create for you. It'll create videos for you on autopilot, 24/7, 365, if that's what you like. You can actually load it with an RSS feed, and it will just automatically, every time you have a new URL, it will create a video based on that URL. It creates videos based on keywords. It creates videos based on any URL. It creates videos based on Amazon products and Amazon reviews. Does multiple languages for you. Creates videos from your own scripts. Creates unique videos from one script, and creates unique videos from one of your own videos, which is super cool. So there's all kinds of different methods in here. It explains all the details on this page. I'm not going to go over all those, but essentially you get training and all that. And then there is a video editor. And if you go, so here you can see what some of the videos look like right here. They're they look a lot like Vidnami videos, and the artificial intelligence, where it actually goes out and gets images and videos for you. It works the same way that Vidnami did. So that's great. That's what you're looking for. And then finally, I wanted to put this out there for you guys because a lot of people, if you don't know about Yive, or you're not in their Facebook group or something, or on their email list, then you may not find out about this. So I wanted to just give you guys a ton. Once I find out Vidnami was leaving, I wanted to make sure that I gave my viewers and subscribers as many options as possible, and then you can find the right fit for you and your business. Because I know video creation is a huge part of most people's business today. And so you can see here's a really cool part about it, is that it has an auto text to speech implemented into the software. And that's what a lot of the comments that I'm getting on my videos is that, like in video or some of the other options, they don't have the auto text to speech function. And that's what people are missing. Like I get people that are like, I just signed up to Vidnami because I love the auto text to speech, the automated voiceovers. And so that's what is missing from some of these other softwares. And so like, here is an example of what you will get.
Today we hosted our second live with Search Engine Land, with 4 leading local SEOs discussing how local and multi-location businesses are coping with the coronavirus crisis. Google My Business was a central topic, and there were numerous...
See, so you're getting some really high quality videos there, and the text to speech is pretty good, pretty decent, very similar to Vidnami's. So you can look at those, and then here is a full walkthrough. Now, this is the video editor. They're actually going to show you how to go in and change out the images if you want, and search over here. They have, kind of a connection to like story blocks, and so it's very, very similar. So far, this is the closest alternative, direct alternative to Vidnami that I'm seeing. The only thing it's missing that I didn't see after watching all these videos, is a way to upload your own voiceover for a video or record inside the software your own voiceover. Those two functions, but a lot of people don't need those functions. They just want the auto text to speech. And if that is you, then this software will be perfect for you. And then here is the most awesome part about this deal that he put together is that the payment, right? So there's three structures. There's the starter, business, and enterprise plan. But all of these is the only difference and separator is the amount of monthly videos that you'll be able to create. On the starter plan, it's 3,000 videos. I don't know about you, but if you're actually making videos manually, I mean, like in Vidnami, for example, you're not making 3,000 videos a month. You know, you're making 1 to maybe 5 videos a day. You're not going to even come close to 3,000. So most people, if you're not doing this kind of as a trying to get hundreds of videos out per month, or no, thousands of videos out per month, then these other plans are not really necessary. If you don't have the Yive upgrade where you can actually have it automatically upload to multiple YouTube accounts and all that, that's a business kind of structure or a model. And I did try that at one point, and it didn't really work for me. So, you know, you have to know how to maintain a ton of Google accounts, and there is an investment piece and portion if you're going to do something like that. There is an upgrade option if you wanted to go down that road. But if you just want a Vidnami replacement for creating and customizing your videos and uploading them to your YouTube channels, then this starter plan will work perfect for you, and you get up to 3,000 videos a month. You'll never come close to that. And look, one-time fee, $77 right there. You'll never have to pay again. So $77, and you can see it's just blowing up. People are buying it every 5 seconds. And so this is really, really cool. It does, you don't need a VPN or proxies or anything like that. So this is something you can come check out. Click the link below, go watch this video. He explains what the offer is here. Then scroll down, you actually want to read the details. Check out the samples there. This one goes over the how to edit your videos. And then there's other, they have a custom assets buckets, which is really cool as well. If you have a unique product, you can upload all your specific images in there, and then you can draw from those at any point. And then the most attractive part is that this is very close to Vidnami, and then you're only paying one time. I mean, you just cannot beat that. So click the link below, go check this out. This might be this might be a game changer, in fact, and I'm very surprised that Marcus put this offer out there. To use the video builder at a one-time price is pretty insane. So go check that out. I just wanted to get this out there to you guys so you have another option. All right, see you in my next video.